What's up, viewers and subscribers? Continue watch the video if you want to hear more of the reason why Rick Ross airplane crash. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. So, via subscribers, Rick Ross is at it again, and this time his airplane have a minor landing crash. Yeah, people, Rick Ross airplane as a minor landing crash the other day in Miami. And right now, Rick Ross a talk about it. And them a say a Drake fighter jet them shoot down in airplane people. So I don't know what go on. And I'm not going to talk too long. Just check out that next clip of Rick Ross explain what went down. I have it, viewers and subscribers. That was Rick Ross explaining what went down with his plane. And I know you all heard him, people. It was that white boy. He sees nose in the cockpit. Yo, people, Rick Ross na normal still, you know. The man mad, the man wicked, the man bad, the man wicked. The man just decide to, yo, him nah give Drake a break. Him a go stroll Drake right through. And I'm not talk too long, my people. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers and all of the Rose fans, them, sum up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Rick Ross plane crash. Yeah, people, and what you have to say about Drake. When I feel like say yo, are the truth, you might tell lie. Yeah, man, more soon as sum up the comment section and let me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Cian, and I'm out.
Cian Entertainment Review. Cian Entertainment Review. Yeah, Cian Channel Art. Dog, me say them eat art. Cian Channel Art. Yeah, me say them art. You see, I know the prayer. Don't know how big than I represent for Cian Entertainment Reviews. What world have to stay attention when them on the drop news. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like and comment and share to a friend. I be give you outside.